If you see the screen Elementor is loading for a long time, then there is something wrong. If you search this problem over online, you will find several ways to fix this. Some of this will work and other will burn your time. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can fix this error within a minute. So without wasting any time, let's see how to fix this. I will log into the dashboard of the website, then scroll to down and then I will hover over to settings. Then I will click to permalink. After that, I'll keep remain everything same, then just click to save change. I believe this problem is already fixed. Let's see. Yes, that's it. So within a minute we solved Elementor loading problem. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I wanna see you in the next tutorial like this. So you have to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.